Earth and Sun quiz. Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Underline the key words in the definitions to help you. A. Revolution. B. Rotation, rotate. C. Orbit. D. Axis. E. Crater. Number 1. The path of an object in space. Number 2. An imaginary line that goes through the center of the Earth. Number 3. To travel around another object in space in a circle or oval. Number 4. A bowl-shaped depression with a raised rim, formed by the impact of a meteorite. Number 5. To spin or turn on an axis. Number 6. What characteristics do the Earth and Moon share that makes them different from the Sun? A. Spherical shape. B. Rotate on an axis. C. Rocky crust and surface. Number 7. On which side of a house in Texas should a window be placed so that the people inside the house can see the sunrise each day through the window? A. North. B. South. C. East. Number 8. When the Earth makes one complete revolution, it equals A. 24 hours. B. 365 days. C. 12 hours. Number 9. Which of these cycles is a direct result of Earth's rotation? A. Day and night. B. Moon phases. C. Seasons. Number 10. Why does the Sun appear to move across the sky? A. The Sun revolves around the Earth. B. Earth rotates on its axis. C. The Sun rotates on its axis. Number 11. Approximately what time of day is it in the picture below? A. 2 p.m. B. 8 a.m. C. 6 p.m. Number 12. The table describes the objects used by students to make a model of the solar system. Which object is being used to model the planet with an orbit that is fourth in order from the Sun? A. Marble. B. Pea. C. Ping pong ball. Number 13. What force is keeping the planets revolving around the Sun? A. Gravity. B. Friction. C. Magnetism. Number 14. Earth has seasons because A. Earth rotates on its axis. B. The distance between Earth and the Sun changes. C. Earth's axis is tilted as it revolves around the Sun. Number 15. Which answer best completes the diagram below? A. Gravity. B. Erosion. C. Air.